Vivian is a beautiful, lively, kind, cool.
On the 3rd of January 2020, I turned 24. And let's just say it was a day. It's my birthday today.
You got it all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Okay, so I have to do my intro, bro. Everywhere is so freaking noisy. Everywhere else is noisy. I tried filming early, like 12 a.m. but I just couldn't. I got breakfast in bed, which was really, really nice. Oh, Nancy! Nancy, bring another fork. Bring another fork.
What do you mean? Are you celebrating?
Oh my God!
So
you can do this kind of video.
It's alright.
It's something I've learned.
Let's get this party started.
Start playing it.
Where's your JBL? Let me call
Yeah,
you.
what do you want? We are going to the video. Do you have your number? We'll book you. We are going there. Once I come back from the party.
So I really wish I didn't have to start my birthday looking like this, but you know, this is real life. We just finished morning devotion. We're all just chatting, like just gisting, and I just got breakfast in bed. So yeah, I just picked up this camera because yeah, I need to show you guys the good and the bad, okay? So I'm just going to enjoy my food and I'll see you guys later. I obviously can't finish it, but I'll eat as much as I can because I'm just very happy, you know, like anyway, I'll see you guys later. Jessica, did you even wish me happy birthday? No, you didn't.
I just did.
What did you say? Happy birthday? What's that?
What do you want me to do? Happy birthday.
Yeah, like, I don't know, just be more, I don't know, show more emotion.
I'll be right back.
Eat us.
Happy birthday. It's $20.
What?
Real money. It's gonna be a lot here though.
Oh, thank you. Bring it in. Thank you, Jess.
God, I was just down.
Happy birthday to Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Oh, no. Love you again. Okay. Auntie, say hi. Hello. Thank you.
Happy birthday
The
to
winner
my
are here to
This is me. She said she has to give Vivian something for her birthday. I said okay.
And and I gave my money to Davina, so I didn't have any more, so I had to ask my mom.
That's okay.
Thank you, Auntie. But yeah, I had a pretty lazy day. I was just at home. I didn't do much. I wanted to edit today, but I couldn't do that. I was supposed to go watch the masquerade today, but I didn't feel like. And right now, things are about to kick off at 11 p.m. So we're about to play Taboo and just catch up, you know. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. I just wanted to quickly do my intro so you guys kind of get the gist of what's happening tonight. I really wanted to be bright tonight, so let's go. Did you sing a happy birthday to me?
I did. Happy birthday to you. That's not good enough. I said happy birthday. Downstairs. I did. You can ask Junior. Junior. Junior!
Happy birthday.
But that one counted. I said happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey, what's that? She said she know I can want my back and go. Hey, okay.
Open the door. TBH, you cool, you can dress.
Young OJ.
See the eyes, young girls.
Happy birthday. I just want to say you're an amazing person. She's very open and easy to be around. She's beautiful. And she'll help push you further to the person you want to be. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Vivian is someone that is very loving. She has a good heart, a pure heart, and she's a go-getter.
Choke on that cup there.
She's someone that, you know, when she sets her mind in doing something, she goes for it.
Yes.
And that's what I love about her. The short week that I've known you, it's been fun, cool. You could dance, and not a lot of people could dance better than me, so I applaud you with that. So. You're a fun person to be around. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Testing the microphone.
1, 2. Okay, happy birthday, Vivian. Okay, is it
Let us
Chioma?
hear you.
Okay. From the time I known you, you were you were cool. You were nice. You were relatable. You are nice. You are kind.
Andy.
You can dress. Do your makeup cool.
I've known Vivian since we were kids, and then we've been together. We've been friends for like ever. Our cousins, our besties, and I wish her the very best. Vivian is the most hardworking person I've met. You won't even know the attention she has or she pays to details. Like, come on. She does everything by herself. She makes it perfect. I'm not the one that she tries to make it perfect, and then she's so creative. Like what she makes up out of nothing, it blows my mind. So I want to say, Vivian, more business ideas, bigger and better endorsement deals, and then I wish you all the good things in life, and I wish you happiness and love. And I pray that everything that you set your mind to do, you achieve. 2 million subscribers. We do this. Thanks, boo!
The mic, man, somewhere.
Was I in the camera?
I would love to say it. I have so much to say. Starting with the fact that Vivian is beautiful. When you look at her, you know, she can make your jaw drop. You know, she has that amazing beauty. So apart from that, I have come to notice some intrinsic qualities in her, such as her hardworking nature. You know, I like go-getters. She put in so much hard work in her work. I love it so much. And she's almost a perfectionist. I really applaud her. When you look around, you hardly see girls like that who really can hold onto their own. You get? So it's very rare to find. When you see people fighting, moving up the hill to get some things done. It's not easy. To tell you, it's not easy. But I really sometimes I feel intimidated. You know? So yeah, she's that good that I feel intimidated. So you can imagine. I wish her all the best in life from the bottom of my heart. I wish her, somebody said 1 million. What the fuck is 1 million? I wish her, man, I wish her money in dollars. You know how big I like to think. So I wish her millions of subscribers. I know she'll go places. She's not started yet. Yes, we are thanking everybody.
Thank you so Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. I really frankly getting a lot of them. I really appreciate it. I'm having such a birthday, guys.
I can even check on the bottom now.
So yeah, unfortunately lights out, but it came back on shortly after, and Jessica and Davina were so sweet to steal my camera for a little bit. In fact, let me just play what they recorded privately.
Honest. Go.
What do you want?
My own was bad too. I needed to do. Okay, sit.
Then you go first.
No, you have it.
No, I want to do it by myself. You go first.
You go for
I don't know what I want to say. I need to think. Go first, Davina.
So, Vivian, for the past something days that I've been around you, you've been very funny, lively, nice, kind to me. Although I don't talk, I make conversations. Like these past few days, that have been whatever. So yeah, that's very nice of you. So I wish you great luck and prosperity and success on your YouTube journey and your, I don't know what else you do, but yes, and all of that. I hope you succeed. You will succeed because you look like the type of person who won't take failure as an answer. They'll do anything to prevent from failure. So my Snapchat gonna be right there in it. Yeah. Get the edit in it. Get
Stop!
the edit.
You're an idiot. She's going to see this. Okay. Is it recording? Okay, yes. Okay, so Vivian, for the past few days, I've been around you. You've been cool, kind, loud, funny, which is what I like about you. You're pretty, you're beautiful, you're relatable. I hope you do succeed in your YouTube channel. You will, and get more than just 100K subscribers. Wish you the best. Okay, that's enough. Okay, get out! No! So, yeah.
She saw that.
So we just wanted to do this American dance for you.
More than one was it?
American dances, okay? So the first one is called the walk, okay? So it goes like
With no music.
with no music. It goes like
Sherry no
okay.
move.
I need to lift it up. Okay.
They do it like
Mop.
that.
Mop.
I'm gone. I'm gone.
Left hand. Right hand on top.
Mom. 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 Left hand. First now put your right hand on top. Oh, wow. Oh, hey. Hey.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Vivian is a beautiful, lively, kind, cool, caring person. And again, I wish you the best. So, yeah. Follow me on IG and Snapchat.
Hey, if you're adding yourself, let me add myself.
Okay, so my IG is Jessie Queen 6. My Snapchat is JOTributor66. That is JOCHIABUTOR 66.
I'm not gonna say my Snapchat because if you go for my Instagram, you can get it. My Instagram is D as in dog, U as in up, 0._. If she keeps this in, it'll be on the screen. It may not. Okay, let me stop. Pick. I'm going. Who? What is that doing?
Chairman, I will propose. Turn it down so they don't.
It's okay. Is this level okay? This level okay? This level. Good life. Long life. Good health. Prosperity.
Mr. Chibo Wakala, you can banana.
So I got a bottle, Saint Remy. So this is my birthday shot. It's been an interesting day and I'm so happy to end it on this note. So cheers to me, cheers to long life, prosperity, good health, money, actually wealth, fulfillment, happiness, love, as in like true love. And cheers to, being a vessel to keep helping others. So yeah, cheers to me, enough of the talking, let's get to drinking. Wow.
Ikukweko kusibo.
Yes, auntie.